Hi, hello. I'm Dr. K. Poongothai, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce. Now we are going to study about the types of demand. Before going into types of demand, we are going to see what is the meaning and introduction of an economics. Economics is a social science that focuses on the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services and analyzes the choice that individuals, business, government, and nation makes to allocate resources. Economic is the study of how the people allocate scarce resources for production, distribution, and consumption, both individually and collectively. Economic focus on efficiency in production and exchange. Now we are going to discuss about the managerial economics. Here the managerial makes a meaning of management, how the business takes a decision and making a problem solving over here. The economics involves theory of methodologies and the application of economics to move a business to solve the problem solving in that and the optimal solution to a business problem. Next, we are going to discuss about the meaning of demand. Demand refers to the quantity of goods or services that consumers are willing and able to purchase at various prices during a specific period. Here we are having a several types of demand. Now we are going to see the first one is price demand. In this, price demand is the most common type of demand and refers to the quantity of goods that consumers are willing to buy at different prices. Generally, as a price of a goods decreases, the quantity of demand increase and vice versa. The next one is income demand. Income demand, this is the demand influencing by changes in consumers' income. As income level rise, the demand of a normal goods or goods for which the demand increases as income increases. It tends to increase while the demand for an inferior goods or goods for which the demand increases as income increases may decreases. Next one is cross demand. Here the cross demand is a price of elasticity of demand measures how the quantity demanded of one goods changes in response to its changes in the price of goods. Next, it tells to the subsequent and complement in the market. The next one is composite demand. This occurs when a goods or services has multiple use. The demand for the goods is influenced by its various application. For example, petroleum can be used for fuel, plastic, and other products. So its demand is affected by the demand of a diverse uses. Next one is direct method. In this method, goods or services that is desired for its own sake. The demand of consumer goods like clothing or electronics is a typical example for a direct demand. Next one is derived demand. In this derived demand, when the demand for goods or services is derived from the demand for another goods or services, example, demand for steel is derived from the demand for automobiles and constructions. So one is depending upon the another one and consequently it takes place, that is known as a desired demand. The next one is joint demand. In this joint demand, it exists with two or more goods are demanded together because they are used together. For example, camera and memory cards have joint demand because the consumer typically use them togetherly. So there must be a joint between both the goods or demanders. Next one is individual demand. In this individual demand, goods or services by an individual concerned, it focuses on preference and choice of an individual buyer. So here the individual is a particular person. The particular person's interest is more important in this individual demand. The next one is market demand. In this market demand, totally demand of goods or services that all the consumers in the markets are willing and able to buy at various prices. It is sum of individual demand within a market. It is known as demand market. Here it will not represent a particular person or a particular demand, etc. It overall represent the market and overall consumers over here to buy a product and create a demand over there. The next one is short term and long term demand. Here the short term refers to a immediate response to a quantity demand to a change in a price, while long run demand considered and adjusted over there. Here the long run is based upon the it has over a more extended period, including changes in factors such as consumer preference and technology. I think the now you have understood about the types of demand, and there is a various demand over here. In this demand is a crucial for economic business and policy maker to analyze and predict market behavior and make an informed decision over here. So this is a, and then these are all the different types of demand over here. Thank you one and all.